You can always come back and get me, I guess, if I get stuck.
Have you been up to Ahhyeah there, sir?
Not yet.
Oh yeah, okay, let me try to calm down for you just a second.
Thanks.
You're welcome. He'll be right up there for you.
Thanks.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem.
Doug,
Hey, how's it going?
sorry to keep you waiting, man.
Oh, it's fine.
We took care of the rewater,
Yeah.
and then I'm sure you look at the shock if we already looked at it.
Okay.
So the only thing is for the valve suit.
That's great, man.
And then here, I'll show you those pictures.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, thanks a
Let us know
lot.
if we can be helpful.
Okay, see ya.
Yeah.
How we doing? Good. Need to pay for that's 94.61. And there you go, sir. Thanks.
Have a good day, man.
Yeah.
Stay warm.
Thank you. Yeah, great. Hello. Well, good news and bad news. So the good news is they fixed the valve stem. It's like $80, $85 plus tax or something, so it's 90 something. That seems really expensive for a valve stem, but then we have shock that they're saying that where the shock mounts to the frame, the bolt that holds it on there is squeaking. So that's not cool. Don't have to worry about Lauren keeping up with me. Oh yes, we can race.
Gonna ride it home?
No,
Church?
I just wanted to see how fast you can go.
I don't think I got it in drive, but I tried. I figured that crash racket would come up beside you, but he's back there yet.
Oh my goodness, I'm freezing. It's 40 degrees and I'm going like 80 miles an hour. Okay, not right now, I'm not, but woo! I'm glad I'm not going home. That was sandy. Okay, well, sorry, I've been a little distracted and I haven't been talking, but basically they fixed my fog lights, which is great. They got them hooked up to the accessory. No charge. Thank you very much. They fixed the valve stem. $85 plus tax was 90 some. And then the squeak, they can't fix. It's the pin that holds the shock. Which means I need a new shock, which is going to be really expensive. Welcome to the life of a motorcycle. Okay? Okay. Gotta figure out how to get that squeak fixed.